everyone, this is Imran Pardesi sir, and today I will be continuing standard 9th math 2nd chapter number 3 triangles. In triangles today we will see practice set 3.4 question number 7 and 8. Please look at the board. Practice set 3.4 question number 7 in figure 3.50. This is a figure 3.50. If segment PR, see segment PR congruent to segment PQ. Can you see these two identical marks over here? It means segment PR is congruent to segment PQ. It means this triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Okay, why? Because its two sides are congruent to each other. Show that segment PS. We have to show that this segment PS is greater than segment PQ. Okay, segment PS. This segment is greater than the segment PQ. Okay, so look at the board over here. In triangle PQR, see, we will see first this triangle, okay, triangle PQR. What things are given over here? Side PQ congruent to side PR. Okay, it is segment PQ is congruent to segment PR, given in the question as identical marks also same. It means this triangle, it means, can you see these two identical marks I have given here? It means angle PQR is congruent to angle PRQ, because this triangle is an isosceles triangle. If the two sides of an isosceles triangle are congruent, if its two angles also will be congruent. Okay, so look at here. I have written in triangle PQR, side PQ is congruent to side PR given by the identical marks and in the question also. Therefore, angle PQR is congruent to angle PRQ. See, I have made here identical marks because this is an isosceles triangle theorem. So, two angles also will be congruent to each other. Now, look at here. We have to prove that PS, segment PS is greater than the segment PQ. So, we have to see this triangle now. See, triangle PRS. Okay. See, now we have to see the triangle PRS. In triangle PRS, angle PRQ is an exterior angle of triangle PRS. This is a triangle PRS and angle PRQ. This angle PRQ is an exterior angle of this PRS triangle. Okay, look at here. Angle PRQ. This side, left hand side, is exterior angle of triangle PRS. Right? This is PRS and this is its exterior angle by definition. As we know, if we are talking about this triangle, so this angle will be considered as an exterior angle, right? Now, therefore, we can say, see, angle PRQ is greater than angle S. Why? PRQ. This angle is greater than angle S. Why? Because we know, we have learned that exterior angle is always equals to the sum of opposite interior angles, right? See, this figure will be like this. This is PRS. This is a triangle and this PRQ is an exterior angle, right? Exterior angle. So why PRQ? PRQ is greater because it is an exterior angle and exterior angle is always equals to the sum of the two interior angles. Okay, PRQ will be greater because it is equal to the sum of its two opposite interior angles. Is it clear? Therefore, we will say angle PRQ is greater, okay, than angle S, exterior angle property. Now, PRQ is greater and we know that PRQ is equals to PQR. See, PRQ is equals to PQR. Instead of PRQ, we have written PQR. PRQ is equals to PQR. Okay, PQR is greater than angle S from first equation, because we have said PQR is congruent to angle PRQ, right? So therefore, in triangle PQS, the bigger triangle, okay, angle PQS is greater than angle S. The same thing, if PRQ is greater than angle S, so PQS also greater than angle S, because Q comes in between, right? Q comes in between. It means angle Q is greater than angle S. So from equation second, and the QRS are collinear points, and here we will use exterior angle property. So now, therefore, we have learned if angle Q is greater, angle PQR is greater angle, so opposite side of greater angle, opposite side of greater angle is what? PS. PS is the opposite side of Q and angle Q is a greater angle. सबसे बड़ा angle है Q. So the opposite side of Q is greater. Is it clear? Therefore PS segment PS will be greater than the PQ because segment PS is the opposite side of angle Q which is greater. Look at here. Segment PS is greater than segment PQ. Inner right side, inner triangle, side opposite to greater angle is greater. Okay. So segment PS is an opposite side of greater angle, that is angle Q. Angle Q is a greater angle, so the opposite side PS is greater than the side PQ. I hope you understood this. Okay. Now see question number 8. In figure 3.51, this is a figure 3.51. Okay. In triangle ABC, ABC is a triangle, segment AD and segment BE. Okay. AD and BE are altitudes. Can you see the altitude symbols over there? So BE is an altitude and AD is also an altitude. And AE is equals to BD and AE is equals to BD. It means what? This is given. This is equals to this. Okay. Means one side of this triangle. Can you see there are three triangles? Okay. One is bigger one ABC. One is ADB or BDA. And one is BEA, right? Three triangles. So, in these two triangles, see in triangle, what we have to prove here? Prove that segment AD is congruent. AD is congruent to BE, means these two altitudes are congruent to each other. We have to prove. Okay. Now see in triangle, we have to choose two triangles. One this triangle, this half triangle, that is AEB, AEB, this triangle, and BDA, this triangle, this straight one. Okay. This triangle we are talking about here, BDA and AEB. Okay, we are talking about that triangles. Now angle AEB is equals to angle BDA. BDA. Why? Can you see the altitude symbol? It means it is each angle is of 90 degree. Again see angle AEB. E comes in between altitude. Then angle BDA, D comes in between altitude. It means angle AEB is equals to angle BDA 90 degree given. Is it clear? I hope you understood here. Now can you see hypotenuse of this triangle? Above triangle hypotenuse is AB is hypotenuse and BDA, this triangle also hypotenuse is AB only. So hypotenuse AB congruent to hypotenuse AB which is common side. Okay. And in question it is already said AE segment AE is equals to BD. Okay, given. So therefore these two triangles will be congruent to each other by which test? Hypotenuse side test. When the altitude symbol will come, that time only we have to understand that these two triangles will be congruent to each other by hypotenuse side test. Okay, these two triangles will be congruent to each other by hypotenuse side test. Okay, so therefore we will write segment EB or BE, same. Segment DA or AD, same. They are congruent because corresponding sides of congruent triangles are congruent to each other. Corresponding sides of congruent triangles are congruent to each other. Therefore, we will make it correct. We have to prove segment AD is congruent to segment BE. This triangle, see, ABC is a triangle in that AD is perpendicular and BE is also perpendicular or altitude. So therefore in triangle BDA, AD is altitude and it is BDA angle is of 90 degree. So AEB is also 90 degree. So it is an hypotenuse. Side test triangles are congruent to each other and their corresponding sides of congruent triangles are also congruent to each other. Is it clear? Dear students, now we will start practice set 3.5 and it is very much important for 10th standard. I repeat, you have to practice set 3.5 very carefully because it is very much important for 10th standard. Okay, so look at the board. Practice set 3.5 question number 1. If triangle XYZ, this is the symbol of similarity, similar, we read it similar. Triangle XYZ similar to triangle LMN. Write the corresponding angles of the two triangles and also write the ratios of corresponding sides. So first we will write this given very much important thing, that is triangle XYZ similar to triangle LMN given in the question. Okay. Then we have to write its corresponding sides. Okay, write the corresponding sides. So what is corresponding sides? Look at here. These two triangles are similar. Triangle XYZ is similar to triangle LMN, right? Now you will write this first two, x and y upon this first two upon LM, xy upon LM. Then you will write this last two vertices, yz upon mn. Okay, then first and last xz upon ln. Okay, these are the corresponding sides of similar triangle. Okay, corresponding sides of similar triangles. Okay, now we will write that vertex angle x is congruent to angle L, angle y is congruent to angle M, angle z is congruent to angle N. Why? Because corresponding angles of similar triangles are congruent to each other. I hope you understood the question number 1. First we will write the given two triangles which are similar to each other. Triangle XYZ similar to triangle LMN given. Then we will write its corresponding sides. We will write first corresponding sides. First two, last two upon last two, first and third. Okay, these are the C for corresponding, S for sides of similar triangles. Okay, then we will write angles. Angle X congruent to angle L, angle Y is congruent to angle M, angle Z is congruent to angle N, because corresponding angles of similar triangle are congruent to each other. Now here also we will use this method only. In triangle XYZ, XY 4 cm, YZ 6 cm and XZ 5 cm. If triangle XYZ is similar to triangle PQR, these two triangles are similar to each other. We will write that first, that triangle XYZ similar to triangle PQR given. And PQ is 8 cm. Okay, so one side of PQR is given, PQ is 8 cm. Then find the length of remaining sides of triangle PQR. Means we have to find the remaining two sides length. Okay, sides of two remaining. Okay, we have to find the length of two remaining sides. Look at here. First, I will mention these two triangles are similar. Triangle XYZ similar to triangle PQR. Okay, and here how you have written the corresponding sides of a similar triangle. That time you will write first two XY upon first two PQ, YZ upon QR and XZ upon PR. These are the corresponding sides of similar triangle. Is it clear? Corresponding sides of similar triangle. Is it clear? Now we have to write the length of given. See, XY is 4, PQ is 8, YZ is 6, QR is not given, XZ is 5 and PR is not given. So my dear students, to find QR we will use these two corresponding ratios. We will use these two, okay, to find the QR. And to find the PR also we will use 4 upon 8 and 5 upon PR. See, I have written over here 4 upon 8 is equals to 6 upon QR, because we have to find the QR, the remaining side of a triangle PQR. Then again we will use 4 upon 8 and 5 upon PR, because we have to find the remaining side of triangle PQR, that is PR. So we will do cross multiplication. 4 multiplied by QR is equal to 8 6 are 48. Okay. Now this 4 is in multiplication. This 4 will go to the right hand side. It will divide. 4 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So QR is 12. 12 what? 12 centimeter. Now here also it will be cross multiplication. 4 PR and 8 5s are 40. Okay. 4 PR, 8 5s are 40. So this 4 will go to right hand side. 4 1s are 4, 4 10s are 40. So PR is 10. At last we have to mention QR is equals to 12 centimeter and PR is equals to 10 centimeter. First we will write corresponding sides of similar triangle. Then we will write the given length, and then we will find out QR and PR. To find QR we will utilize these two ratios. Okay. And to find PR we will use first ratio and this third ratio here. We will do their cross multiplication. Okay. Now we will see the next question of practice set 3.5, question number 3. Draw a sketch of a pair of a similar triangles. It means you have to draw two triangles which are similar to each other, okay, and label them. It means name them by your choice. No problem. You can name them by your own choice. Show their corresponding angles by the same signs. Okay, we have to show the same signs. Can you see the symbol? Angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q, and angle C is congruent to angle R. Okay, this is the same signs. Show the lengths of the corresponding sides by number in proportion. Okay, so first we will sketch. First we will draw two triangles. We will name them according to our own choice, and we have to give some same signs. We have to give some same signs to show that these two triangles are similar to each other. Okay, then we have to write in the above figure, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now we have to write its corresponding sides. Okay, so first to AB upon first to PQ. See, AB upon PQ. Now BC upon QR. Then first and third, AC upon PR. Is it clear? These are corresponding sides of similar triangles. Okay, then we have to write the angle. See, can you see angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q, angle C is congruent to angle R. These are the corresponding angle of similar triangle. Is it clear? So these are the corresponding sides, and corresponding angles are congruent to each other. So this is how we have to write the practice set 3.5 question number 3, and practice set 3.5 is very much important for 10th standard. Look at here, homework problem set 3 question number 1 MCQs. You have to write the MCQs which is given in problem set 3 in your notebook, and you have to learn it also. So best of luck and thank you so much.